Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more financial insights. Exploring LendUp for business needs, a review. Links to LendUp and its products are included in the description below. LendUp is a financial platform primarily known for providing personal loans, particularly to individuals with less than perfect credit histories. While not a direct business loan provider, its services can still hold potential value for small business owners, especially when personal and business finances are intertwined. LendUp specializes in short-term personal loans, offering a potential bridge for entrepreneurs requiring rapid access to funds for business-related costs. Loan amounts generally vary from $100 to $1,000, depending on the specific state regulations, with repayment terms usually spanning 7 to 30 days. This platform is well suited for individuals who need swift, small-scale funding to tackle immediate cash flow gaps. The application process is straightforward, conducted entirely online, and approved funds are often disbursed within one business day. One of LendUp's key features is its emphasis on credit building. Borrowers can progress through the LendUp ladder, a system rewarding responsible repayment behavior. By making timely payments, borrowers can unlock access to higher loan amounts, reduced fees, and more favorable terms. This can be particularly advantageous for business owners aiming to enhance their credit scores, which can facilitate access to more substantial financing options from traditional lenders in the future. While LendUp can be a valuable tool in specific circumstances, it's crucial to remember its primary focus is personal lending, not formal business financing. Moreover, the loans typically carry high annual percentage rates, APRs, making them more appropriate for short-term, emergency situations, rather than long-term business investments or expansion. In summary, LendUp, while not a conventional business loan provider, can offer a rapid financing option for entrepreneurs needing immediate cash to cover smaller expenses, or for those looking to bolster their credit profiles. The streamlined application process, the credit building opportunities, and the platform's accessibility for individuals with less than ideal credit make it a distinctive option in the lending landscape. Click the links in the description to explore LendUp's offerings and determine if they align with your short-term financial requirements. This review aims to provide the information you need to decide whether LendUp fits within your overall financial strategy.